Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm going to show you how to find out the discount percentage. For example, if you go to a shop or any place and the shopkeeper tell you about the original price and the discounted price, but he didn't mention the what's the discount percentage. So in that case, how you guys can find out the discount percentage, guys? So it's really simple. For example, the shop, if you go to a shop, if you like an item and the shopkeeper said the original price of item is 1000, and he said I will give you this, there is a discount and I will give you this item on $756 or rupees. So he didn't mention any percentage, how much percentage he give you discount. So he tell you only about the original price and the discounted price. So now what you have to do, first you type the original price as he told you, $1000 or rupees or whatever currency. Then you have to minus the with the discounted price, which is 756, guys. Okay, so you will get the answer 244. Okay, now this 244 you have to divide it with the original price. The original price was 1000, so divided it with 1000, guys, and then press equal sign. So you see here it's coming here 0.244. Now what you can do, this point decimal, you have to place it to the right, two positions to the right, so it will be 24.4. Or what you can do, 0.244 is your answer, you have to just multiply with 100 and you will get the answers. So 24.4% is the discount that the shopkeeper gave you on that item. So this is how you guys can find out the discount percentage. I will show you one more example. So let's say the original price of item is 800, and after the discount price is 720. So in that case, how you find out the discount percentage, or what's the discount percent he give you? So what you can do is first type 800, which is the original price, then minus with discounted price, which is 720. Okay, and the answer is 80. Now this 80 just divide it with the original price. The original price was 800. Okay, and then it's equal to 0.1. So 0.1, just multiply it with 100, you will get the answer, which is 10. So 10% discount you guys get on that 800 item product, which after 10% discount you get it on 720. So this is the second example. So the next example I will show you. For example, if you go to a shop and the price of the item is $1000 or rupees, okay, and after discount he said he will give you 750. So this is the discounted price. So now what you can do is simple, 1000, which is the original price, minus discounted price, which is 750. Okay, that's the answer, 250. Then divide this 250 with the original price, which is 1000. So 0.25 is the answer. You can move the decimal to two places to the right. Or what you can do, 0.25 you can multiply with 100. So here is your answer. You get 25% discount on that particular item, which was 1000, the original price, and after discount you get on 750, guys. So this is the answer. You getting 25% discount on that particular item. So this is how you guys can find out the discount percentage if you only given the original price and discounted price, guys. So I hope you understand the concept, and it's a very easy way. And you can send me any question in the comment section, and please like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.